Today marks the beginning of my journey into the depths of cybersecurity with Black Hat Python as my guide. But first, let's set up our environment for practical learning. We'll begin by installing Kali Linux on VirtualBox, the ideal platform for cybersecurity experiments. Start by visiting virtualbox.org to download the VirtualBox software package tailored for your Windows platform. Then, head to kali.org, the official website for Kali Linux, to access the download section and select the virtual machine platform to download Kali Linux specifically tailored for VirtualBox. Once downloaded, extract the Kali Linux file to proceed. Install VirtualBox on your system, following the provided instructions. Open VirtualBox and add the Kali Linux file you extracted earlier. Start the virtual machine. The default username and password are both Kali. Optionally, change password with sudo password.
With these steps completed, your Kali Linux setup is ready for exploration and cybersecurity adventures.
それなのになぜ目も合わせやしないんだい